Installing owl boxes is an effective DIY biological pest control strategy that encourages raptors to reduce vole and burrow predator numbers over time. To make owl boxes work for you, start by selecting the appropriate species box, typically barn owl or screech owl, because each has different entrance dimensions and interior volumes. Barn owl boxes require a larger floor and open front or large round entrance, while screech owl boxes use smaller enclosed designs with a 4-inch round entrance. Place boxes on poles at least 12 feet high and away from primary feeding locations such as barn doors or compost piles, so owls do not become habituated to human-provided food, and orient the entrance away from prevailing winds and direct midday sun to keep chicks cool. Maintain habitat for prey by preserving some native grass and edge habitat near but not directly under the box, so voles and mice have cover that supports a local food base without putting nests at risk from human activity. Use predator guards on poles and smooth metal flashing to prevent raccoons and snakes from climbing into nests, and make the interior accessible with a clean-out panel or removable lid for annual maintenance after the breeding season. Monitor occupancy each season by checking at least once in late winter for nesting material or in early autumn for pellets and feathers to confirm use, and keep careful notes on timing to detect local nesting trends because many raptor species return to successful sites. Combine nest box efforts with other measures like habitat modification, trapping targeted to persistent problem areas, and sealing burrows where practical, so the predation pressure from raptors complements direct control rather than being the only tactic. Homeowners often expect immediate rodent population collapse, but natural predator recruitment takes time, so be patient and continue other control steps until you see steady declines. People sometimes place boxes too near feeding or human activity, which attracts predators to human areas and disrupts nesting, so move boxes away from attractants and avoid deliberate feeding. Another common issue is poor box design or installation that allows competitors or climbing predators access. Fix this by using species-appropriate plans, installing predator guards, and performing annual maintenance to keep the box secure and dry. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners learn about projects like installing owl boxes and find local contractors when they want professional help. Our community discussion boards let us and other users share experiences, ask questions, and compare what worked and what did not for biological pest control projects.